am teacher Shirley, and today we will going to study the fundamental counting principle. Fundamental counting principle is the rule that we will use to count the total number of possible outcomes in a situation. And to solve for it, we will going to use the formula m times n to find out the total number of events, where m and n are both independent events. M is the total number of outcomes in the first event, and an n is the second number of outcome in the second event. So m times n is the total number of outcomes of the two things happen together. What if, for example, we have 3 events? Then for 3 events, we will going to use the formula m times n times p. So wherein p represents the third event. We will just going to use these letters to represent the number of events in a given situation. And what if there are 4 events? Then we will going to use the formula m times n times p times q. With this formula, it simply means that we have 4 events in a given situation. So let's have an example. Let me just show my screen. All right. So we have here an example. Pip wants to help him choose his outfit. A top, a pair of pants, and shoes or a mask. However, a hat is optional. How many different choices are there for Pip? So in this given situation, Pip wants us to help him choose his outfit. So let's find out how many different choices are there for Pip. So in this situation, how many events do we have? We have here the hat, and then we have here the tops. We have also here pair of pants, and we have here the shoes. So how many events do we have? 1, 2, 3, and 4. With this example, we will going to use the formula m times n times p times q, since we have here 4 events. And let's now find out how many different choices are there for Pip. According to the problem, we have to find him how many different choices if he needs a top. So let's have a top first. How many top do we have? We have here 2 tops. So that's 2 times a pair of pants. How many pair of pants do we have here? So we have here 2. And then we have also a shoes. And in our given example, we have just 1 shoes. And then we also have here a hat, which is optional. So there is 1 hat here. So let's now find the answer. 2 times 2 times 1 times 1, that is equal to 4. Whether Pip choose to wear a hat or not. Still, there are 4 different choices for Pip.